This is a tiny home of good living with a simplicity concept. The application of the concept of simplicity is not only about simple forms, but it's also related to aspects of development and maintenance budget in the long term. There are several examples of interior design reference on the tiny house theme this time. Some of the interior examples that I show have no correlation in terms of the spatial layout of this tiny house, but have relevant characteristics in terms of the size of the space and the minimalist style of this tiny house. This tiny house has a loft bed with a multifunctional built-in stair access and also several other built-in cabinets in this room. In the kitchen area with a modern concept in the countertop, backsplash, and upper and lower cabinets. Several examples of other kitchens without upper cabinets, but there are lighting windows. The bathroom area is relatively small and compact to minimize space and also consideration regarding bathroom maintenance with a minimal budget for long term. What do you think about this tiny house design with a minimalist theme this time? Please write in the comment column below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. Bye bye. Thank you for watching until the end, guys.